entrepreneurs, are you looking for a new product to add to your product line, one that's cheap and easy to make? Well, I got you on that one. I have the perfect toner formula to share with you that's going to be easy to make and cheap and will already go with some of the products that you already have in your product line. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. Now, you are going to be so surprised by how cheap this product is going to be, but stick with me to the end and I will reveal the exact amount of this toner. Alright, first things first, let's get into the overall ingredients for this formula. When it comes to the ingredients, we're going to have rice water vinegar, then we're going to be using witch hazel, cucumber water, lemon juice, aloe gel, then we're going to have in a preservative and distilled water. And all of these ingredients are going to be ingredients that you probably already have in your arsenal when it comes to your own business, but also in your home as well, just to be able to test everything out. And I really love that for this product because it makes it a lot easier for you to test something out when you don't have to go out and buy more ingredients to try it. Now, this particular toner is going to be a acne focused toner. It's going to really help with clearing your acne and really removing those impurities on your skin to help kind of close your pores a little bit as well, change the appearance of the open pores on your skin. So I really love this toner. Now, for each ingredient, when it comes to the rice water vinegar, we're going to be using this at 20%. Now, when it comes to the rice water vinegar, I just bought this at the store. It's really cheap and easy to get, and this is a really great ingredient that will help to again remove any impurities on your skin. Rice water is also used in a lot of hair products as well, but it really does have great benefits when it comes to your skin and when it comes to helping with acne as well. So I definitely love adding vinegar into this product. Then we have witch hazel. Now, witch hazel is a holy grail toner all in itself. This is a toner that most people already use and have. I know I use witch hazel as an overall toner to remove makeup from my face. So I really love witch hazel. It really helps to remove any impurities. So adding this into your product will create more of a toner-like product by adding in witch hazel. And this is going to be at 15% of the overall formula. Then we're going to have cucumber water. Now, when it comes to the cucumber water, all I did was infuse cucumbers into my water. So I added in the cucumber and I allowed that to sit for about 4 to 5 hours before I added it into the formula. So go ahead and just cut them up into pieces like you would if you're making a refreshing drink, because that's also delicious as well. But just create that and then just leave that to the side for your product in order to have all of those cucumber benefits soaked into that water over time. So 4 to 5 hours when it comes to the cucumber water. Then we're going to be adding in lemon juice. Now, when it comes to lemon juice, this is easy as just buying lemon juice at the store or buying lemons and squeezing out, because you're only going to be using a really small percentage. This is about 5% of the overall formula. You don't want too much lemon inside of the product to begin with. So having a small percentage of lemon will really be great for your skin and for this toner. Then I added in aloe gel. Now, again, this is going to also be at a small percent. I mean, this is at around 10% of the overall formula, but this is going to dilute in the overall formula because this is all water based, but this is going to help to remove any impurities from your skin and to help clear some pores that you may have open as well. So adding in the aloe gel, even though it is a kind of like a thick product, it's going to dilute completely into your product and you're not even going to notice that it's there. Next ingredient is going to be your preservative. Now, you definitely need a preservative when it comes to this product because it is a water-based product and you want to make sure that it will be able to have a long shelf life. Preservatives are always going to be at 1% of your formula, and you just want to make sure that you are using a water-based preservative and that it will be able to be used in a water-based product. So definitely check that before adding it into your formula. Then we have the distilled water, and I just grabbed this from the grocery store, just grab a gallon of that and just have that in your storage for any of the products that you're making. And it's just really easy product to have so that you'll be able to have a clean water to be able to use for these products. And distilled water is going to be at 29%. This is going to really help to dilute the product and to make everything easy to mix in as well and make it more of a toner texture. I'm going to add in rose water. Now, rose water, it has really great benefits when it comes to acne, but it also has a beautiful floral scent to it, and I thought that was a really great add-on to this product to really help to bring out that smell a little bit more and kind of get rid of the vinegar smell that you may get, because this is really going to smell a little bit like vinegar but also like a cucumber. But by adding in that rose water, it's going to really help to even out that smell and really make it a beautiful smell for this product. So now that we have all of the ingredients out of the way, how are we going to put all of this together? So I just took I just put in a container, just put all of the ingredients together. I added in the distilled water, I added in my vinegar, the cucumber water, I added in the lemon juice, and I added in the rose water. Now when it came into adding in the aloe gel, I just took the aloe gel and then I added in the preservative all at once, mixed it up a little bit before adding it into the rest of the formula, just to help it to be able to mix in properly. But once I added it into the overall formula and into that container, everything mixed together really quickly, and it didn't take much time. It didn't add any thickness to it. It was still that the watery consistency that you would want for a toner, so you don't have to worry about it being thick. And again, you're only using this at 10%, so it's not going to be much of your overall formula. When it comes to this toner, I really love the way that this toner feels. It's a really soft toner. It also doesn't feel necessarily dehydrating as well, but it really helps to get off any dirt that I did have on my skin and on my chest. And it also did help to remove any impurities that I had on my skin before taking a shower, and then using that and then adding on a serum and then adding on a moisturizer. So that's a really great way that you can advertise this product as being something that works well with the other products that you use, as far as any acne moisturizer, any serums that you may be using as well. When it comes to body acne, let's get into the cost, because we are here about business. Now, when it comes to this formula, like I said, everything that I mentioned here, you guys probably already have in your kitchen, or you probably use as something for your ingredients anyways. So this is going to be something that's really cheap. Even if you do have to buy all of these ingredients, when it comes to making this one bottle, a 6-ounce bottle of this product, it's only going to cost you $1.12. That's less than $2 to make this product. So think if you were actually going to sell this product, this is adding nothing really to your overall expenses. This is adding nothing when it comes to shipping costs, because this is just a really light bottle with pretty much water in it. Yes, everything else that you're adding in it has benefits to help with acne and any skincare issue that you may be wanting to change up when it comes to this formula, but overall it's super lightweight. Even if you don't decide to sell this as a product, this is a great freebie to add as a surprise ad when people are going to purchase your product, because this is something that they can try along with something that they've already purchased for acne, and this can really start to spark some interest in that particular product. People may actually start to want that product, and then that's something that you can make and actually sell, so you don't have to necessarily jump right into selling this as a product. Now that we have toners out of the way, another great product to add to your product line is a body serum. Watch this video here as I explain how to make a body serum from start to finish. This is a great serum for body acne, so it'll kind of go really great hand in hand with this body toner. So definitely go ahead and check out that video next, and I'll catch you in the next one.